Hi, if you've always wanted to grow your own vegetables and you're not sure where to start, I've got These 5 vegetables that I'm going to show you are budget friendly, beginner friendly, and they grow well here in Kenya. Number one is Sukuma wiki. We consume a lot of Sukuma wiki here in Kenya. It's a classic, it's reliable, and with just a few seedlings, you can feed your family for months. The trick is to harvest often. The more you pick, the more it grows. Personally, I usually plant the curly kale. I had a lot of it and then I uprooted the whole of it because I didn't like the spacing and I also didn't like how they were looking and how they were growing. So I decided to start afresh, and as you can see now I have a few seedlings coming up and they look okay. Number two is dania or coriander. You can grow it in cups, buckets, tins, anywhere. You can see I'm growing mine in an old paint bucket. Danias are the easiest to grow if you ask me. You can soak the seeds overnight, plant them shallow, and within days they'll just be up. And they're perfect for small spaces, and they're also amazing for daily use. If there's a vegetable I've enjoyed growing this season is definitely spinach. I've had so much fun growing spinach this season. I started my spinach from seed, and just from a few plants I'm able to harvest so much, a lot of spinach. And one thing I've also enjoyed is I've not had any pest issues. They also grow up so fast. So if you're new to gardening, start with spinach. It is so worth it. Spinach can grow in bags, in raised beds, or even along a fence. Just keep the soil moist and harvest the outer leaves. It will keep giving. This year is just a few days after harvesting, and as you can see, it's already screaming ready for harvest again. So the secret is keep harvesting. The more you harvest, the more they keep growing. Number four is spring onions, and you don't even need to buy seeds. Just take the white base of your kitchen onions, stick them in the soil, and they'll regrow in days. And they're perfect for cut and come again harvesting. Another option will be buying the spring onion from the market or the supermarket and then planting it. Like whatever I'm planting, I bought yesterday. I bought it for 40 shillings and I'll be able to plant this. And the best thing with spring onions, they are self-propagating. So I'll keep harvesting and replanting back. If you've been here longer, I'm sure you can remember I had a whole raised bed dedicated for spring onion. But I used to make one very big mistake, and my onion used to be very thin and weak. The spring onion leaves, they were so thin and so weak. And I'm so happy because one of you or a number of you reached out and gave me advice, and I thank you so much. I actually read on your comments and take note of every advice shared. And they mentioned they were thinner and weak because When I harvest the leaves, then the plant is using all its energy to recover and they grow back thin and weak. So I was advised instead I should uproot the whole plant, use what I need, and replant the rest. And this way I get healthier, thicker growth every time. The last one is amaranth, or what we call terere. I also watch some Jamaican gardeners and they call it kalalu. If you're Jamaican, just drop a hi in the comment section. Now, this one grows like weed. You just scatter the seeds and let nature take over. And sometimes you don't even need to scatter the seeds, like they just grow on their own, they just grow voluntarily. And it's amazing, it's rich in nutrients, and once it starts, it rarely stops. Whether it's hot, it's cold, it just grows and grows. The ones which I have in my garden, they've grown on their own. In fact, when I try to grow them, when I actually buy amaranth seeds from the agrovet and plant, they never grow or they are so sluggish. But the ones that grow on their own, they always look so nice and they grow so big and they give me a lot of seeds. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start your garden, this is it. I'm always here to encourage you to grow your own food. Try one of these and you'll be harvesting in no time. Let me know in the comments which one you grow first. And if you're growing them already, let me know which you're growing and how it's doing. Please remember to subscribe for more easy gardening tips. Also, leave a comment and share. That's how you can support us right here on Lively Garden. See you on the next one. Also, if there is anything that you'd like to be shown how to grow or tips, do let me know in the comment section.